everyone. Ella Belita Loves Slots. I wanted to be sure to bring you in for this gorgeous sunset here in Las Vegas this lovely evening. We are inside New York, New York, and we have a room that we have never reserved before. It is the Spa Revive Suite, and I will turn around and I will show it to you now. So this room was an unexpected upgrade. I had just reserved kind of a standard room, and when I checked in, they told me I had this spa suite, which I thought was really very kind. And in addition to this beautiful sunset, we have a seating area over here by the window. Nice plush sofa, a table and chair, TV. There is an area over here where you can put your valuables in the safe, check your look in the mirror. In this console here with a mirror, in addition to a safe, there is a personal refrigerator, which we always love to see in Las Vegas. And in addition, a nice deep drawer for all of your items. And then underneath the TV, we've got 4 very deep drawers here, and then a plastic laundry bag, which is always very handy for when you're checking out. And then, in addition to this large king-size bed, we have got the biggest, deepest spa that I've ever seen, a 2-seater. It looks really deep. It's got jets, and it looks like it would be very, very nice. Can't wait to try that out. So this room is a good size. It's not huge in terms of square footage, but the way it's laid out makes it seem very nice and spacious and comfortable. I like the decor. I think this is similar to a stay well room because there are amenities such as this over here. And it even says stay well on their rabbit air. So an air purifier, which we could all use. And then over here, there's another device. I'll have to check this out and let you know what this is. So this appears to be a machine that releases a scent, and you can change the interval and you can change the amount of scent that comes through. We'll head over to the bathroom next. Here is the bathroom and closet area in the Spa Revival Suite. This is pretty standard here. This part doesn't look like it's been updated for a while, the sink area. There is a magnifying mirror, which is always helpful. And then we've got some bath amenities here. This is the closet area. So there is an iron. So obviously no doors on the closet area. There is an ironing board. And then there's a full-length mirror outside. And then the water closet and shower. This is also fairly standard. Looks like maybe they've done something new with the wallpaper, which is attractive. The shower has one of these kind of old school sliding doors. Because it is a Spa Revival room, it does have that vitamin C dispenser up there. I don't know if there's anything in it or not, but you know, it's meant to be beneficial. A nice big shower head. But other than that, a pretty standard shower enclosure. So this is an upgrade from the room that we selected when we made the reservation, and we appreciate that. It is a nice room. I think we'll definitely enjoy this nice deep tub that we have here with the jets. Who wouldn't love that after a long day with all of the walking that one does in Las Vegas? So I hope you've enjoyed this room tour, and we thank you for watching. Ella Belita loves slots.